Hello everyone, hello wherever you are. Today I'm going to talk about a very important topic, that is poultry farming. And when I'm talking about poultry farming, I'm basically talking about the practice of rearing or keeping birds. Examples of these birds include chicken, turkey, dove, any other bird that you know in the farm. These are what we call poultry. So when you're talking about poultry farming, you're basically referring to the practice of rearing such birds. And what are some of the benefits that a farmer can get while rearing poultry farming? Number one, this farmer is going to get a very rich source of income. The second benefit that this farmer is going to benefit is a source of manure. He doesn't need to buy fertilizers, so he just have to get the manure from the poultry waste like feces. And then the next benefit is that the feathers can be used in industries to make items such as clothes. So you see, this person has a great benefit while he does poultry farming. Now, what are some of the requirements, general requirements for a poultry farmer? The poultry farmer needs to maintain hygiene in both for the poultry and himself or herself. When I'm talking about hygiene, I mean the cleanness of the farm and the poultry house. The poultry house should be dusted, should be cleaned regularly, and the farmer also need to put on things like a lab coat to ensure that himself is handling clean bird. Hygiene helps to reduce stress in a poultry house, so it is better if we keep hygiene in poultry houses. And then the reasons why we need to maintain hygiene is also to ensure that we have healthy birds and they are free from diseases such as Newcastle, Gumboro, or fowlpox or flu. So you see the benefits of keeping hygiene in a poultry house. So a farmer need also to have a water bath at the entrance of the poultry house. So this one will help reduce the chances of those people who are coming into a poultry house contaminating the house or introducing some bacteria and fungi into the poultry house, which might lead to the spread of diseases. Remember, we have airborne diseases that spread very quickly as a result of bacteria or fungal infection. Another benefit someone gets from keeping hygiene is that, apart from stress regulation, is that you'll have healthy coop. So you'll be producing healthy birds or healthy eggs. Also, people will be having access to food which is clean. And when the food is clean, it means it can sustain the demands of the current generation and even the future generation. So you're talking about sustainability. Now, what are some of the safety gears of a farmer who practices poultry farming needs to put on? This farmer needs to put on an apron. He needs to put on gloves in case he needs to remove the pea. He needs to put on a dust coat if possible. This farmer sometimes need to put on the gumboots while handling the birds. And this clothing should be of maybe one color. If they vary, then two colors are enough. This one will help prevent the chances of causing stress to the birds. So remember, when you come into the poultry house with different colors of clothing and maybe they aren't adapted to your face, they get stressed and sometimes they may fail to eat. So that is one of the things a farmer need to observe. And if you are practicing poultry farming for the layers, then the egg production might go down. So to reduce that chances, then you need to check on the type of clothing you're putting on by then. So what is the design of a poultry house? How can we design a poultry house? That is the number one step in poultry farming. So I hope you're going to stay alert, you're going to stay tuned. In our next video, that is what I'll be talking about, poultry housing design. So see you there. Stay tuned.